For thousands of years, the magnificent pyramids of ancient Egypt have captured the imagination of people around the world. These colossal monuments, built as elaborate tombs for pharaohs, continue to baffle and intrigue archaeologists, historians, and the public alike. From their construction methods to their hidden secrets, the pyramids remain shrouded in mystery. In this in-depth feature, we delve into 10 of the most perplexing enigmas surrounding these iconic structures. 1. The precise construction techniques. Archaeological sites across Egypt and records written on ancient papyri show that boatmen used the Nile and a network of artificial waterways to bring materials to the Giza Plateau, including granite from Aswan quarries, copper cutting tools from the Sinai Peninsula, and timber from Lebanon. How the ancient Egyptians were able to construct the pyramids with such precision and scale is a topic of ongoing debate. Despite the lack of modern machinery, the builders managed to align the structures with remarkable accuracy, with the sides of the Great Pyramid of Giza deviating from true north by only 0.05 degrees. The sheer logistics of transporting and lifting the massive stone blocks, some weighing up to 15 tons, remain a mystery. 2. The mysterious void in the Great Pyramid. Advances in high-energy particle physics have allowed them to use cosmic rays to uncover various empty spaces that had been hidden for 4,500 years, including one void that rivals the size of the pyramid's Grand Gallery and another passage, dubbed the North Face Corridor, to the Pyramid of Khufu. In 2017, a team of scientists using cutting-edge muon particle detectors discovered a previously unknown void within the Great Pyramid of Giza. This massive empty space, measuring around 100 feet long, is located above the Grand Gallery and has baffled researchers, who are still unsure of its purpose or significance. 3. The Sphinx's hidden secrets. The Sphinx, which before the 1800s spent thousands of years buried in the sand with only its head visible, may stand sentinel for the pharaoh's tomb complex, although there's no definitive proof that he built it. The mysterious Sphinx, with its lion's body and human head, has been a source of fascination for centuries. While it is generally believed to have been built by the pharaoh Khafre, the true purpose and meaning of this ancient monument remain elusive. Archaeologists have long searched for hidden chambers or tunnels beneath the Sphinx, but their existence has yet to be conclusively proven. 4. The precise alignment of the pyramids. The world's fascination with ancient Egypt has a long history. Greek rulers often portrayed themselves as pharaohs, and Romans dragged obelisks out of Egypt to adorn their cities, including Istanbul and Rome. The precise alignment of the three major pyramids at Giza with the stars of the Orion constellation has captivated researchers. This astronomical alignment, which some believe was intentional, has sparked theories about the pyramids' connection to celestial phenomena and the potential use as astronomical observatories. 5. The mysterious markings on the walls. To prepare for the next world, they erected temples to the gods and massive pyramid tombs for themselves, filled with all the things each ruler would need to guide and sustain himself in the next world. The interior walls of the pyramids are adorned with intricate hieroglyphic inscriptions and decorations, known as the pyramid texts. These writings, which contain spells and incantations, offer insights into the religious beliefs and funerary practices of ancient Egypt. However, the full meaning and significance of these markings continue to be a subject of scholarly debate. 6. The lack of mummies in the pyramids. His necropolis, or burial ground, stands out on the landscape because it also includes the Sphinx, a mysterious limestone monument with the body of a lion and the head of a pharaoh. Despite being designed as elaborate tombs for the pharaohs, the interior chambers of the pyramids have yielded very few intact mummies. This has led to theories that the pyramids were not actually used as burial sites, or that the mummies may have been removed or destroyed over time. The true purpose of the pyramids' chambers remains a mystery. 7. The mysterious boats buried near the pyramids. Scientists have discovered a long-buried branch of the Nile River that once flowed alongside more than 30 pyramids in Egypt, potentially solving the mystery of how ancient Egyptians transported the massive stone blocks to build the famous monuments. Archaeologists have discovered several intact boats buried near the pyramids, believed to have been used to transport materials and supplies during the construction process. However, the significance and purpose of these buried boats continue to be debated, with some researchers suggesting they were intended to ferry the pharaoh's soul to the afterlife. 8. The absence of construction records. Advances in high-energy particle physics have allowed them to use cosmic rays to uncover various empty spaces that had been hidden for 4,500 years, including one void that rivals the size of the pyramid's Grand Gallery and another passage, dubbed the North Face Corridor, to the Pyramid of Khufu. Despite the immense scale and complexity of the pyramid construction, there is a surprising lack of detailed records or accounts from the time. Egyptian texts and papyri offer only limited information, leaving many questions unanswered about the logistics, workforce, and organizational structure behind the building of these monumental structures. 9. The Mystery of the Unfinished Pyramids, by Juliette Coughlin, AFP. Anton Petrus, Getty Images. Scientists have discovered a long buried branch of the Nile River that once flowed alongside more than 30 pyramids in Egypt, potentially solving the mystery of how ancient Egyptians transported the massive stone blocks to build the famous monuments. Several pyramids in Egypt, such as the Bent Pyramid and the unfinished pyramid at Dashur, were left partially complete or abandoned. The reasons behind these unfinished structures remain a mystery, with theories ranging from changes in royal succession to engineering challenges during the construction process. 10. The potential for further discoveries. The 64 kilometers long river branch, which was once a major branch of the Nile, could have been used to transport the massive blocks of stone and other materials needed to build the pyramids. As new technologies and research methods continue to be developed, there is a growing potential for further discoveries and insights into the mysteries of the pyramids. From the use of cosmic ray imaging to the recent discovery of an ancient Nile branch, researchers are uncovering new clues that may help solve the enduring puzzles of these iconic monuments. Thanks for watching.